Have you ever found the perfect property only to watch it slip through your fingers because your mortgage process took too long? Or maybe you spotted an absolute bargain at auction, but the 28-day deadline meant you couldn't get the funds together in time. If you've been there, you aren't alone. But there is a solution that smart property investors and homebuyers across the UK are using every single day. It's called a bridging loan. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what a bridging loan is, why it makes sense for property buyers, and the critical moments when it might be the right move for you. So first things first, what actually is a bridging loan? Think of it exactly as the name suggests. It's a financial bridge. It gets you from where you are now, maybe waiting for your house to sell or waiting for a mortgage offer, to where you need to be, the finish line. It's a short-term loan, typically lasting anywhere from a few weeks up to 12 or 18 months, and it's secured against property. Now, I'm going to be completely upfront with you. Bridging loans are more expensive than traditional mortgages. The interest rates are typically charged monthly, not annually. So, why would anyone use one? Because in the property market, speed and certainty are often worth far more than a low interest rate. Let me show you why. Reason number one, breaking the property chain. This is the most common reason people come to us at Pontis Financial. Picture this: you've found your dream home. It's perfect, but your current house hasn't sold yet. The seller isn't going to wait around for months while you find a buyer. They'll just move on to the next person. A bridging loan solves this instantly. You use the bridge to buy the new property now, and then you repay the loan once your existing house sells. To this seller, you look like a cash buyer. No chain, no delays, just a clean, fast transaction that puts you in an incredibly strong position to secure the deal or even negotiate a better price. Reason number two, buying at auction. If you've ever been to a property auction, you know the rules. 10% deposit on the day and the full balance within 28 days. That's it. No extensions, no excuses. Now, try getting a traditional mortgage approved, valued and completed in 28 days. It's virtually impossible. This is where bridging loans really shine. At Pontis Financial, we work with lenders who can deploy funds in as little as 5 to 10 working days. That speed is often the difference between winning a fantastic deal and watching it slip away. Reason number three, and this is a big one, buying property that a high street bank simply won't touch. If a property doesn't have a working kitchen, a functioning bathroom, or if there are structural issues like subsidence, most banks will say no, flat out. But here's the secret. These properties are often where the biggest opportunities are. Bridging lenders understand this. They look less at the current state of the property and more at the value and your exit strategy. How are you going to pay it back? If that plan stacks up, like renovating and selling or refinancing, they'll often lend where the banks won't. Finally, reason number four, flexibility. Traditional mortgages focus on your salary, payslips, and tax returns. If you're self-employed with a complex income or have had a credit blip, that can be a barrier. Bridging lenders take a different approach. Their primary concern is, can you sell the property or refinance it? And here's a hidden benefit. Many bridging loans don't require monthly interest payments. The interest can be rolled up and added to the loan, which you pay off in one go at the end. That's a massive advantage if you're renovating a property and your cash flow is tight. Now, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't warn you about the risks. Bridging loans are more expensive and the fees are higher. If your exit strategy fails, you could be left with a very costly loan. That is exactly why you need the right advice. You need a team that will stress test your plan and make sure the numbers actually work. That is what we do at Pontis Financial. If you're looking at an opportunity and need to move fast, or if you've been told no by the banks and are wondering what your options are, get in touch. Head over to pontisfinancial.co.uk or drop us a message. We'll have an honest, no-pressure conversation about whether a bridging loan is actually right for your situation. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. We'll be posting more content to help you make smarter property decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.